Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Making Memories with Michelle. Today is Wow Wednesday. I try to have a video every Wednesday to show you what I'm doing in my studio or what Stampin' Up! Is doing for us. Today we're going to take a look and make one of these cute little Ghirardelli chocolate square holders. I made these for my class on Saturday. I had them sitting on everybody's placemat, and they're just a little special treat. And you know, sometimes you just need a little something. Yesterday, for example, so you may have heard, we're here in North Carolina, we're preparing for Hurricane Florence, and the gas lines were significant. There were 15 people in front of me yesterday, and the gas station was great because they had an attendant out there directing traffic as you pulled into the driveway, and then there was somebody else kind of monitoring the bays, and they told you exactly what bay to go into, and there was no trouble. Other places I'd seen, you know, people were like cutting into the queue and making a mess and making people mad. So when I got up there, I happened to have a little baby Ruth in the car. Now don't think I carry candy bars in the car all the time, because I really don't. I had gotten this somewhere over the weekend. I don't even remember. Anyways, I just handed it to the attendant, and she was so thankful because it was brutally hot out there and humid, and you know, I know she needed a little snack. I wish I had had it wrapped because it would have made it even better. So, you know, these are something you could throw in your purse or in your bag and carry it with you and just give it to somebody, you know, that stressed out bank teller, or you know, the clerk at the grocery store, or maybe your boss needs a little special treat, you know, and this is just very cute. All right, so you've probably been following my blog and know that we are showcasing the Country Lane Suite this week. I really love this. I think it's just beautiful. And as you can see, you know, not only is it the Country Home Stamp set, but we've got the Country Lane Designer Series paper. And this is beautiful. You know, before Stampin' Up, I really didn't like fall colors, but the way they coordinate, you know, the purples, you've got Blackberry Bliss and Pool Party and Early Espresso. Those are some of my favorite colors in the whole Stampin' Up! Color spectrum. So we're going to use that paper, and because we're gearing up for fall, I chose this pumpkin pattern, and it's got Pool Party in it and some Old Olive. So I have cut a strip. This measures 2 3/4 wide by 9 5/8 long. This measurements will be on my blog, so don't worry, you don't have to memorize that. And I have my scoring tool, and I'm going to lay this on the horizontal, and I'm going to score it at 2 3/4, 3, 6 1/4, and 6 1/2. So one long rectangle, 4 scoring measurements, and take your bone folder now, and I want you to burnish or crease all of those 4 score lines. Now here's where this gets tricky. You want to make sure, because we're using a patterned paper, that your paper's going in the direction that you want it to open up. Okay, so you've got your pumpkins going in this direction, you've got pumpkins going in this direction. This is the bottom flap. Okay, this is significant because you're going to take this tag punch, and here's the bottom, and you're going to insert it all the way. And this makes your slot for your candy. Then we have our corner rounder punch, and you're just going to round the 4 corners. Sorry, my paper's moving all around this morning. I think I need to get one of those little Rubbermaid dish things under there to keep that paper from sliding. Okay. So I have some milk chocolate caramel Ghirardelli squares. These are really hard for me to keep around because they're delicious. And this just inserts right into that slot and close it up. And it's kind of like a little matchbox, right? A little matchbook cover. I have some old olive. This is 1/8 inch ribbon. And I'm just going to cut a piece here. Now, if you wanted to keep this down, you could add a little glue dot or something, but I didn't think it needed it. But if you're unsure about tying that bow, maybe you'll like that idea. I'm going to tie a knot. And then just a small bow here. And you can pull the ends and play with that as you like. Trim that up. I'm going to fuss with that this morning. There we go. Now let's add a tag. I am using the A Good Day stamp set to make our tag. I like this because it has punches. So today is just kind of a punch day. If you're in a hurry or you don't have a big shot, you can still get excellent results with punches. And yes, I stamped that crooked, but you know what? It's a circle and it's not going to matter. I love, love, love to stamp with circles. So this is the 1 3/4 inch scallop punch. And I'm just going to line that up. And I have a dimensional right here. I just need one on the back. Now, you've got a just because treat for someone who may be having a great day or might be having a bad day. But whatever the reason, you've got something sweet to share with them. So again, that was the Country Lane Designer Series paper from the Country Lane Suite in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. Right now in September, when you order with me, every $25 purchase gets a free 4-card tutorial exclusive just for you. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to visit my blog for the measurements at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.